Well, sorry you clicked on this video. If you clicked on it, your Farfanugan probably has a whoa pedal hard as a rock. In this case, brake booster's out. No vacuum leaks, that's booster hisses, all that jazz. So, gonna show you how to take her out. Step one, you gotta get your air box out of the way. Take the rest of the intake off. So, after you get your intake piping and whatnot off, you just want to start pulling things. It's 2 bolts looking straight down, probably need an extension for that. Start unclipping things, pulling them out the way. Oh boy, that looks real nice. And these, ooh yeah, nice and crusty, just falling apart. We're not gonna worry about these though. You don't need glow plugs on your coolant system. Come on, come on. Oh yeah. Okay. Pulling things out the way. Should I? No, don't need to take this off. Okay. Now, once you're done pulling everything off out of the way here, the caps for these glow plugs on the coolant and the main vacuum hose, you want to go ahead and crack these lines. Start pulling off that master. When you're cracking these lines, you gotta make noise, otherwise it don't work. Come on, there. And you want to be careful. As soon as you get these lines off, it's gonna start pissing out brake fluid. So you either want to siphon the fluid out if you don't want to mess, or plug off these holes with vacuum caps or anything you can shove in there fast after you take this off. We'll update. After my 30-second search for my vacuum caps, could not find them. So this is going to be interesting. I grabbed earplugs. Is it going to work? No, but I'm going to try anyways. Keep you updated. Alright. About to witness something. Come on. I see liquid. Grabbing my earplugs. This is gonna go bad. Alright, gonna stick it in big end first. Oh, yeah. That kind of worked. Instead of a pour, it's probably just gonna seep through and be a slow drip. So, I'm gonna keep on cracking on the next one, and I'll update you after we get those 2 bolts on the booster and got the master out. Forgot, for you Manuel owners, don't forget, take this line off. Just pull her right off after you get the 13 mil nuts off. Now with that off, time to go after this ABS block. As you can see, you need to take that out or disconnect it because not a lot of room for activities in here. So Yep, I'm gonna crack all those lines, drop the ABS block, spin it, whatever, after we disconnect that bracket too. There's a tree and a 4 that is in a great, awesome, easy to get to place that I can't even stick my phone in. Where is it? It's down there. Anywho, let's get after it. Well, once you get that ABS block out of the way, these lower bracket bolts for that ABS block are conveniently a different size. They're 13 mil, and I'm in here struggling with a foot-long extension and a swivel. Oh yeah, there we go. Remember, if you don't make noises, it don't work. So, and my mistake earlier, I believe I said 1 down here. There's 2. And once we get these out, oh, it's a nut. Sweet. Once we get these out, we're pretty much done out here. Come here, come here. You ain't going anywhere. Then we can go inside. Now that we're inside, we got 4 nuts left, and the brake pedal has a little clippy system that holds on to the ball at the end of the booster. And what you're really gonna want, one of these handy dandy specialty tools. You just throw her up there and just like that. If you don't have the tool, you can still get it out with a couple flatheads and a lot of frustration and probably breaking the clips, but you can get it off. Yeah.